Not too deep?
Just go very slow.
Okay.
If you do stall for some reason, just honk your horn and then we'll stop everything.
Okay.
You'll be okay as long as you go slow.
Okay, thanks.
Oh my god, it's so deep. Oh my god. Driving in the water to get through Creston?
Grand Forks.
Grand Forks? Sorry.
Holy crap. We're in our little car.
We're in our mini car.
Oh my god.
Behind a semi. Well, at least the semi's kind of pushing the water away from us.
Don't stop, Semi. I really don't want to stall the vehicle.
Come on, keep going, Semi. Keep going, Semi. Keep going, Semi. Oh my god. Oh my god. At first I thought the car was like actually crashed up there. Oh my god. Look at like all the sandbags and stuff.
Okay, we'll move it around slowly.
Oh my god.
Yeah, no pressure. It's like, okay, you can stop my video.